Robin, and this is my closet. Today's unboxing is a Boxycharm. I have cheated so many times and watched other YouTube's Boxycharms, and I guess there's a bunch of different variations. I went and peeked at my variation, and I think it's a 9. So, okay, I had some technical difficulties. So, anyway, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So I finally got my doodad, and she went darker with a little blonde on the top. When she actually cut it off and I saw it on the floor, it was orange. The sun from like Arizona just totally goes crazy with my hair, and she's just looking at me like, what did she use on your hair? And I'm like, I have no idea, but we're orange now. So she took away all the orange, so that's why it's a little bit darker. And she said it takes about 1 or 2 washings for it to go away. But she did recommend that if you color your hair, you try not to wash it, like every 2 or 3 days. She did recommend those, the dry shampoos, but I don't like those. So anyway, onto the box. So this is $21 a month, and even if you find one product that you like in here, it's normally worth the price of the box. I know I was watching a lot of these videos and people just didn't care for this month. So let's get into it. You open it up, and there's the card with everything that is in the box. And again, I peeked, and I'm pretty sure I have version 9. I can't remember where I saw it. Oh, there's the little 9. So the first thing I see, and I know a lot of people got it, was the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Now, oil's supposed to be good for your face, obviously if you don't have oily skin. So you gently squeeze to release 2 to 3 drops of the oil into fingertips, massage into skin until fully absorbed. I think you're supposed to put the oils on before you do your moisturizer. So this is really nice. This is by Wonder, and it retails for $42. And I know I've gotten Wonder stuff before. I actually got their peel off face mask, and I tried it twice. It totally destroyed my face. I mean, I was just jinking. So I gave it to Doing Life with Miranda, and she just loves it. So to each their own. So we got that. That is now on the ground. The next thing I got are lashes. I am going to try to put on eyelashes, but I just haven't gotten up the courage yet. So I don't really like getting eyelashes because I have so many that I'm just not going to use them for a while. So we did get the eyelashes. See if I can keep that from going on the floor. And the eyelashes are $14.99, and they're by Lashaholics. Instaglam False Eyelashes. The next thing I got, and I saw this in a lot of boxes, and again, I don't really use a lot, is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Now, I heard great things about this, so I might try this one. I have a couple that are already opened, but I really don't wear a lot. And this is black, and I always have issues opening boxes, so The color is actually phenomenal of the case, but it is a black mascara. I'm not going to open it because, as most of us know, once you open the mascara, it kind of dries out. And the mascara retails for $23, and I'm sure that's the price. The next thing that I got is Pure Barbie Glitterly Brightening Peel Off Mask. If it's anything like the Wonder Mask, I'll try it a couple times, but I just don't have good luck with those peel off masks. But I hear a lot of great reviews on it, and Pure came out with their Barbie line. And I was watching a YouTuber, and she bought their eye palette, I think a lipstick, and their highlighter, and it looked amazing. So I do have the eye palette and a lipstick coming, so watch for that video. But I will give it a try. And that is $26, and it's the Pure. And the last thing in the box, I'm gonna put these away so I don't drop them on the ground. Everybody's raving about this. They said this is worth the price of the box alone. And it's by Becca, and it's a powder, and it's supposed to go on real cool. Now, because I'm filming outside, I didn't bring anything with me to try to apply it. But they say that you need to keep this little thing on here to keep it cool. Excuse me, that little thing, and then of course there's another little thing, and it is supposed to be, they say you put it on and then your face just starts to cool off. So I was so looking forward to getting this because everybody else seemed to like it. Of course, I'm challenged. Oop, there goes the powder going outside. So I'm just gonna tap a little and try it on and see if I could feel it getting cold. That's the best part of it. So, and Becca's supposed to have really good products, and Becca is Hydra Mist Refresh Powder, and it retails for $39. So even if you just like this, you paid for the box. And as I said, the other products are supposed to be good. I'm just not a fan of the eyelashes and mascara. But, you know, every time we get a different box, there's boxes where it could be a 5 for $5. So the value of this box, I don't think it's, they don't put the total value. But it's probably over $100. And they do have Boxyluxe that comes out every quarter, and the total price, you're $21 plus I think it's $24.99, so the total price of that box would be $49.99. And they put full-size products, and I definitely recommend that. The downside is you have to get this box, the regular Boxyluxe, in order to get the quarterly box. So you can't just get the quarterly box, which would be so nice, right? So this was everything that was in my box. I will leave a discount code below, so if you'd like to try Boxycharm, there is a discount for, I'm not sure, it's $5, 10% off. It's been so long, but I will leave that link below along with all my other links. So again, thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and you guys have an awesome day. Oh, and before I forget, I do have my August giveaways going on. So I will leave the link up top and below with all the detailed rules of how to enter that, and watch for my luxury diva video, which should be coming up in a few days, because there's another big giveaway going on that video. So again, have an awesome day.